Hello guys, today I am showing you my kitchen disaster. Now, I have a wonderful kitchen fairy that does his share of the picking up, and just a little, disclaimer. Yes, I do make my kids load and unload the dishwasher and put their stuff up, but somehow it's never anybody's stuff. So, Mom has to get on them, come in, take the trash, come in, unload the dishwasher and all that. But today I'm going to show you the mess and how I'm going to get it organized. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com. This here is an Instant Pot that I got for free. And can somebody tell me what this is for? Can you please tell me what this is for? We read the instructions, and the instructions say to put it on here, but we looked. First of all, it won't fit on here, and it already has one. So is this all we need? And what is this, and why is it there? So if somebody can tell me that, that's why that project is sitting there. Here is the big problem. Now, what happens is the dishwasher is run. Nobody gets it unloaded because they're taking tests or doing school or whatever. So then it ends up like this every single day. Yeah. And then here's the rest: the pancake mix, the cocoa mix, the apples, everybody's cups. So I am going in and simplifying all of my dishes. I am ashamed to say this is my dish cabinet. Now, to part of the defense, what happens is we'll wash the dishes, but we'll have show dishes like that and that. They get thrown in here because the kids don't know what is show dishes and what's not. And it just ends up a great big mess. So here's the plan. I'm going to take and empty everything out of this cabinet, pack it up in boxes, and give everybody their own set of dishes. And everybody's going to be washing their own set of dishes, so we can hopefully avoid this mess every single day. Yeah. All right. I'm going to start cleaning the kitchen, and then I'm going to get on this. Okay. So I got these plates and these bowls. We're going to have everybody pick a bowl or pick a plate bowl color, and that's going to be theirs, and they're going to hand wash it. I don't know if this is going to work. We've tried something similar before, it didn't quite work. Then I got these little containers at IKEA, and I thought they were really good, and I thought that the plates would stand up in there, but now I'm not so sure. So this is going to be kind of iffy too. I was going to write everybody's name, and they keep their fork, spoon, knife, bowl, plate, and cup all in here. I think I'm a little optimistic, so we'll see. Here we go. Also, I'm not getting rid of everything. I'm getting rid of the stuff we don't use, and the stuff that we do use, I'm keeping. And then if we don't end up using it, then I'll get rid of it. Okay, I have to admit, this is pretty stressful for me. I do not do well at organizing stuff. It stresses me out. All right, I don't think that's gonna work. So, all right. I'm not having the most confidence in this system. Well, it's a gravy saturated.
See how different these purples are?
I see how different these purples are. They don't match, do they?
No, they don't. How dare you?
I can microwave these.
No, I'm just joking. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, can we
Shoot
not
them.
microwave these? It said microwave safe. Oh,
Well, it says top rack dishwasher safe.
oh, great. Okay, set it over there just until I can see if it.
Should I throw it in the microwave and see if it melts?
No, don't throw it in the microwave.
It's okay.
Okay, now come pick out your mug.
And
Oh, yeah.
sometimes cut off their
Okay.
heads, but
So, do you want this or the
Oh.
wolf for
oh,
your
that for
drinking?
sure.
This one? Okay. Alright, so Dave is there. Okay, I will admit, right about this stage here is where I start having chest pains because I'm just like, how in the world am I going to finish this? But you'll note, I blocked the refrigerator, so I have to finish it because if I don't finish it, then I can't cook dinner. But just so you guys don't think that I got it all together, I feel like I'm going to have a nervous breakdown. Oh man, look at all this stuff. Okay, I have to say a couple of things real quick. First, to my defense, a lot of these mugs are show mugs. So probably 80% of them are mine for the show. So yeah, so I just need to sort those and put them back with the show stuff. Now, next thing. When I'm at this stage and I'm completely overwhelmed and I feel like I'm going to throw up and have a nervous breakdown all at the same time, here's how I proceed. I am not getting rid of any canning jars. With the craziness that's been going on in 2020, I'm not getting rid of canning jar. But I don't need all these canning jars in my cabinet. So I'm going to pick out 3 or 4 canning jars and I'm going to pack up the rest of them. And then I'm going to save a couple of jelly jars if I need them for leftovers or bacon grease to send home to mom or something like that. So that's where I start. So I start with that, and then I get everybody in and have them pick their own mug and their own travel mug, and we'll go from there. Okay, I got that sorted and done. So I got 4 big jars and 4 little jars, and all the rest are going into storage for that apocalypse, emergency, whatever you want to call it, is going to happen. Okay, so now I'm going to match up all the travel mugs with their lids and then dump anything that doesn't have a lid. And I'm going to put everybody's mugs and cups in their own little section, and then they can pick what they want to keep. Okay, so now I've got it narrowed down. I didn't realize Ellie had so many cups. So I got Ellie and Mike and Dave. Me, this is my travel mug. And this is a decoration that I use in my bathroom. So now I just need Ellie to get home from work and pick out hers. Mike get home from Christmas shopping and pick out his. So we're going to have them all go through and see what they want to keep, and then we're going to store the rest. And then figure out what we're going to do with the plates. I don't think they're microwave safe. Hello, so it is 2 weeks later. I got done. I thought I would show you where I ended up. We ended up giving everybody their own set of plates. Guess which one's mine? And bowls. This needs to go. That's an extra one. So we have the travel mugs for mom and dad back there. And that's my mug, as you can see. And then everybody else has their own sets of plates and bowls. And we are washing up after each person eats and go in there. Now, it's going actually pretty well. We've had to run the dishwasher about 3 times where we kind of get a little behind on containers and that kind of stuff. But it's going pretty well. We're going to keep seeing how it works. Back there is extra dishes for if we have company. But I might go ahead and pack those up too. So that's the final result, guys. Please visit us at livingoutoftime.com.